Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be testing out whether scrunching or finger coiling are better to define your damaged curls. Now I know my curls don't look damaged, but we all started somewhere. My hair used to look like this. We've come very far. So these are similar techniques that I used to use in order to define my damaged hair. Now your hair is damaged, so you're not going to get these exact results, but hopefully you will get something similar and your curls will still look poppin'. Alright, so I got out the shower and I did my regular curly hair, you know, wash day routine. If you guys want to see that, click on the iCard above this video to see how I wash and style my hair on a regular day-to-day basis. When I first started my channel, I didn't have a spray bottle, so my mom got me a spray bottle. Just gotta work with what you got. So you're going to need a spray bottle. This is the best gel for your curls to define and just hold them. It's so good. And of course, my two favorite products, this Curl La La.
No! No!
Stop it. Get some help.
It's amazing. And Miss Jessie's Multicultural Curls. Now, the other Miss Jessie's product that you could use for this is the Pillow Soft Curls. I believe that's what it's called. They basically do the same thing, except that Pillow Soft is more of like a gel consistency, so you could kind of substitute that for the wet line if you want, but it's also kind of moisturizing at the same time. So when I did my hair today, when I washed my hair today, why can't I not speak today? But anyways, I left in 3 different deep conditioners, and that is also what I detangled my hair in. So I left them in that cap, that plastic cap, for about an hour, almost an hour and a half, and my curls feel very, very soft and moisturized. I just left that in there because I needed to show some extra love to my hair. If you guys want to see the different deep conditioners that I use, I could also make a video about that, so comment that down below or leave a like. Alright, so I'm going to be using the same products for each part of my hair. I'm just going to be using a different method to style them. So this side is going to be my scrunching side. Now this spray bottle has some conditioner in it and just water. I don't want my hair dripping wet, I just want it damp. Why does this always happen to me? I can never open it. I got it. Alright, so first I'm gonna start off with my multicultural curls, and I just take about this much to start off. Just go through and work this all throughout my hair. And I'm just going to do the same thing with each product. Alright, now this is where there's going to be a difference in styling my hair. I'm just going to scrunch. Alright, now this is how the scrunch side of my hair is looking. On to the next. Alright, now for this next part of my hair, I'm going to want to keep my whole head separated, so I am going to be tying up this front section. You're gonna have to go in smaller sections in order to achieve those finger coils, so that's why you want to keep your hair separated. Alright, now this section you're going to want to not make soaking wet, but you're going to want your hair sufficiently wet. Never forget the end.
What?
Never forget the end. Alright, now so far we've done the same technique for this side and this side. I just put the same products, but now this is when the difference comes in. So you're gonna want to take a little bit of gel on your fingers and just go through and pick the sections that are individual curls and just start twisting it from the root with your finger. And we're just going to repeat this process on this whole section. Well, most of this section. If you really wanted to go through and make them more defined, then you would need to start with smaller sections because this section is way too big. If your curls are more on the damaged side and you do want to have more curl definition, this is definitely worth it.
Two hours later.
Oh my God.
$2,000 later.
Alright, so now that I'm done with both sides, I'm just going to go through and diffuse, and I will be right back with the results. And now I'm back. So remember, this is the scrunching side. And this is the finger coiling side. Now, as you guys can tell, this side is much more defined with the curl pattern. So much more defined. But this side is more voluminous. Side note, my hair is very frizzy, and that's just because I diffused. That's just a given with diffusing. But it is worth it because I do like volume, and look at this. Now, I didn't separate the coils just because I wanted to show like the actual difference in volume and definition and all of that. So as you guys can see, scrunching does make your hair a lot more voluminous because there's nothing to really hold it down. So every curl is separate. Mind you, I diffuse both sides the same, use the same products, all of that. So you can see the difference. These curls are still very defined, but they're not as defined as these. But the one thing I would say is that I like volume. I'm a volume type of girl. I like this side better than this side. But if I were to separate these and pick my head a little bit more, it would be bigger. So keep that in mind if you do have damaged curls and you do want to do this. Just separate the curls gently with some oil on your fingers. Just go through and separate each finger coil that you made. And then just pick at your hair, and it'll give you that, you know, that nice curl pattern and the, you know, illusion of volume. And that's it. But personally, my favorite side today is just scrunching. All right, guys, now that was the difference between finger coiling and scrunching on my hair. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.